A coil of self-inductance L is connected in series with the bulb B and an AC source. We need to find when does the brightness of the bulb decrease. So we know that the brightness of the bulb depends on the current flowing through the circuit. If the reactance in the circuit increase, the current decreases, which in turn reduces the brightness of the bulb. So we have the formula of impedance, which is given by Z is equal to square root of R square plus XL square. And we also know that higher the impedance, which means less current, while lower impedance means more current. Now let's find what can be the answer to this question one by one. Moving to option A, reducing the number of turns reduces the inductance L, which would actually increase the current and make the bulb brighter and not dimmer. So option A is not the right answer. Moving to option B, which is nothing but adding a capacitance. Xc is equal to XL. If a capacitor with reactance Xc is equal to XL is added, it creates resonance. So it will cancel the effect of inductive reactance, allowing maximum current, and hence it increases the brightness of the bulb. Again, option B cannot be the answer. Now moving to option C, which is inserting an iron rod. Inserting an iron rod inside the coil increases its inductance L, as the iron increases the magnetic permeability of the coil. This increase in L, it will lead to higher inductive reactance, which is nothing but XL, which is obvious from the formula, thus reducing the current in the circuit. So if the current is reduced, the brightness of the bulb is also reduced. Hence, the option C is the right answer. Let us check option D, which is decreasing the frequency. Decreasing the frequency reduces XL, which is nothing but XL is equal to 2 pi FL is reduced, which would increase the current and make the bulb brighter. Hence, inserting an iron rod in the coil increases the inductance and decreases the brightness of the bulb. Hence, option C is the right answer.